today we are discussing the topic combinational logic circuits. First of all, we have to know about this, what is the combinational logic circuits. So these are the circuits that are consist of logic gates whose output at any time are determined directly from the present combination of inputs without regarding the previous input. The combinational logic circuits, they doesn't need any kind of memory. They are time independent circuits. They consist of input variables, logic gates and output variables. The logic gates accept signals from the inputs and generate signals to the output. You may say that a combinational logic circuit, it consists of n input variables and we get the m output variables. The examples of combinational logic circuits are half adder, full adder, binary subtractor, binary adder and subtractor. So today we are discussing the adders. So first of all, the first topic of combinational logic circuit is half adders. Basically, what is half adders? When we add two bits, simply when we do an arithmetic operation and an arithmetic operation of only 2 bits and those 2 bits are binary bits, then we say that such combinational logic circuit is the half adder circuit. Half adder, it is a combinational circuit that performs the addition of 2 bits. So 2 bits means 2 binary number, that is 0 and 1. This needs 2 binary inputs and 2 binary outputs. If we are having the 2 inputs, one is the x and the other is y, then we will have the output, that is C, and second one is S, where C is the carry and S is the sum. When we do the binary addition, we are getting the combination 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. From this truth table, you may see that when we add 0 0, then we get the result 0. So sum is 0. When we add 0 and 1, then we get the result 1. Sum is 1. When we add 1 and 0, then we get the result 1. But when we add 1 and 1, then the binary addition of 1 and 1, the answer is 1 0. Here 0 is the sum and 1 is the carry. Always remember this, carry is the higher significant bit while sum is the least significant bit. So when we simplified the Boolean expression from the truth table, then for the sum we will get the result of x complement y plus xy complement and c is equal to carry is equal to xy. These results we get from the SOP, that is sum of product form. One thing more that you can do, that is the product of sum. So do it by yourself. The other expression, as you see that S is equal to x complement y plus xy complement. Basically this is the exclusive OR gate output. So here S is equal to x exclusive OR y and C is equal to xy. Now in this figure, there are 2 figures. You may see this. First one is the implementation of half adder using equation 1, that equation 1 in which we were having the expression S is equal to x complement y plus xy complement and C is equal to xy. Here in this expression, the only gates that are used will be the AND gate and OR gate. So for the sum expression, we are using 2 AND gates and 1 OR gate, and for the carry expression we are only using the 1 AND gate. For equation 2, the implementation of half adder, that equation 2 was S is equal to x exclusive OR y. Here we are using the exclusive OR gate. So S is equal to, we are only using the 1 exclusive OR gate and xy, these are the inputs and we will get the result sum. And for carry is equal to xy, so simply we will use 1 AND gate. So this is the implementation of half adder using the exclusive OR gate.